can stop me now. My goo-goo gas will transform crabs into a tiny, helpless infant. The key to the Krusty Krab. This was easier than I hoped. He's a little bigger than I imagined. Whoa! No! No!
Dun dun. Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
An explosion. So if you do want to check out a mod showcase with the crafting recipes, you can go down in the description below and check out my friend Husky Mudkip's video. He actually did the crafting recipes at the end of his video, so you can go check that out. But yeah, right now I'm gonna. Hey, shut up!
Sean.
Wait, where are you?
Oh, over here.
I should be used to this by now.
You really
honestly.
should, actually.
Where are you?
Yeah,
Where are you?
over
Oh,
here.
there you
Right
are.
here. Hi.
Ha.
Hi.
Oh,
How's it going?
you're about to
What's
get
that in your
messed
hand?
up. You're
What's
about to
that?
get messed up.
What's that thing?
Bam.
What's that?
Oh my God. I messed up
my
everything.
God,
Oh God, someone help!
What did you
Oh
do?
Jesus!
Everything's going
Oh
out.
my God! So
Dun dun.
the first one I want to show you right here is.
Hey, a baby! What are you doing out here all alone, baby? I'll take charge of you until your mommy shows up. Oh, aren't you just too cute?
Hello? If you're done making a total fool out of yourself, I could use some help with this lock.
Oh, sure thing, Plankton. There you go, little guy.
Yes! My plan is working perfect.
Dun dun. Dun 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 dun.
Nova Bomb. Now the Nova Bomb basically takes